Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Exuberant Gaming here, and today we're going to talk about one, do you need a webcam or camera to stream in 2019? And two, how to overcome that fear of being on webcam or camera. Probably just gave you a hint to what my answer is going to be, but let's roll that intro real quick, baby. Alright, so let's get started with that first question. Do you need a webcam to start streaming in 2019? Let's roll a clip real quick and see what you think.
I think I've been on the web for too long. Let me back out. I swear I heard something.
Oh my fucking god! So after watching that clip, let me know down in the comment section below if you think having a webcam in 2019 is necessary for streaming. My answer is abso-freaking-lutely, because if that webcam was not there, it would just be, okay, I heard him scream like a little girl, but what happened? I heard a ka-flunk. But with that webcam being there, you got to see that I was sitting there with a tinfoil hat on, I screamed like a little girl, and I tipped backwards out of my chair accidentally. So having a webcam adds so much more value to your content. Now, let's say you're a high-skilled player, you could probably get away with not having a webcam. However, these platforms allow you to show yourself through your webcam, add more value, and capture hilarious moments such as that clip that I just showed. So, yes, I think that you need to use a webcam. So with that being said, let's talk about overcoming the fear of being on a webcam or a camera. For me, it was practice, practice, and more practice, on top of accepting the fear of rejection. Fear of rejection can definitely have you frozen in your tracks and make you not want to be on camera at all, but I assure you, with enough practice in front of a camera, your jitters will go down, and accepting the rejection part of it, it's gonna make you more confident in what you have to say, because you now believe that what you are saying is going to add value or make people happier or help somebody in some way, shape, or form. My practice came from making shuffling videos 4 or 5 years ago on YouTube, where I know I was gonna get judged, but I didn't care because I knew from the bottom of my heart that I love dancing and I was going to inspire somebody out there to start shuffling. The other practice came from me taking American Sign Language in college, where I had to upload a test of me telling a story in sign language, where 30+ students had the ability to see what I turned in to get graded. And then when it came over to streaming on Twitch, I was still scared to have a webcam on. However, each time I turned on the stream, I noticed my ability to get on camera without having to fear what I looked like or what I did started to diminish. And now to the point where I'm not scared to be in front of a camera, and I look back and I'm like, wow, why was I even scared in the first place to even get on a camera? So practice, gain your confidence as who you are as a person, know that what you have to say is going to inspire somebody out there in the world. Even if it's not 1,000 or 1,000,000 people, your voice does matter. So get over that fear, turn on your webcam, begin that practice, and I guarantee you, you will be so much happier and grateful that you did. So after watching this video, I gave you my answer to should you be using a webcam on a streaming platform in 2019, as well as how to overcome your fear on a camera or webcam. If this video added value, please consider giving it a thumbs up, as well as subscribing to the channel, as I will continue to push out more videos to help streamers beat on their craft to become the best that they can possibly be. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm out this bad boy. Peace, love, and chicken grease.